In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Descript, an incredibly useful tool for video editing and production. Descript offers a user-friendly way to create content, and adding text is a feature that can really enhance your projects. To get started, you'll need to navigate to Descript's website. Make sure you're logged into your account because this is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, click on your account to ensure you're in the right workspace. From your main dashboard, you should see a list of your projects. Choose the one you want to work on and click on it to open. With your project open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Elements option. Click on this and you'll see a variety of options appear. These options will allow you to add different elements, such as text, to your project. Taking this step ensures that you have all the necessary tools at your disposal to craft the perfect visual and textual presentation. Next, it's time to choose your text style. Descript provides a range of text styles to accommodate different tones and aesthetic preferences. Once you've selected a style, it will automatically be added to your project. This is especially handy as it saves you time and lets you visualize how your text will look against your video backdrop immediately. Now that you have your text in place, you might want to personalize it a bit more. You have the option to change the font style, which you can find in the text editing toolbar. By adjusting the font, you can set the tone of your text, whether you're aiming for something professional, playful, or somewhere in between. In addition to the font style, you can modify the font size to fit your needs. This is useful if you want certain information to stand out or if you need to keep your text unobtrusive. Adjusting the size is as simple as clicking and typing in the desired number or using the slider. Descript also allows you to add effects to your text. These effects can bring an extra level of engagement to your video. From drop shadows to outlines, effects help make your text pop and ensure that it captures your audience's attention. If you're feeling creative, consider adding animations. Animations add a dynamic element to your text. This is excellent for drawing in viewers and keeping content visually stimulating. With a few clicks, you can animate the entry, exit, or movement of your text on the screen. Finally, don't forget that you can reposition the text within your video frame. You can do this by simply clicking and dragging the text to your desired location. This flexibility ensures your text doesn't obstruct vital parts of your video, maintaining a clean and professional look. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll master adding and styling text in Descript, empowering you to create engaging and polished video content. Happy editing!